With release 112, we've actually done some reconfiguring of how we can go about reprocessing sales orders in bulk and also deleting sales orders in bulk if need be. Now, if I was in Carton Cloud and I went up to Warehouse and then into sales orders, you can see here that I've got some rejected sales orders. Now, these have come in via a parser and they've come in before we actually had received the stock into the warehouse. So now that we've received the stock, we want to actually go through and reprocess these. Now previously we needed to go into each individual sales order, reset the status back to a draft, go into the products and reprocess one by one. Well, now what we've actually done is if we come into the filter tab here under the sales orders, and for instance, if I was to go to coffee shop roasters and I was to go to all of my rejected and hit go, now you can see that I actually have 11 sales orders here. I can hit this select all button. And what it will do is it will grab not only what's on this page, but if there was 2 pages down here, it would grab everything on the second page as well. Now, once we've selected all of those with our filter options, we can hit reprocess orders. So if I hit reprocess orders, it will pop up with this modal telling us that it's only going to apply to rejected orders. And what this means is if I hit all sales orders for coffee roasters and I selected them, then it's going to skip past all the ones which were packing in progress or dispatched or in any other status apart from rejected. It also goes through and explains that we're going to auto assign the stock in the usual manner using the customer settings we've already set up previously for this customer. So the key part is it's going to tell us how many sales orders we've selected. So if I hit OK here now, what's going to happen is in the background it's going through the process of sorting out these orders. Now the other thing we can do is we could select all and we could hit delete. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit go and we're going to see exactly how we got. So now we've only got 3 rejected sales orders. So obviously we don't have the stock for these ones. Now if I go up into the bell up here, you can see that I've finished reprocessing and I have fully processed 8 orders and failed to process 3 orders. And they're the 3 orders I can see down the bottom. Now, if I was to come in here and have a look at the product and, oh, I don't have any of this product, I could actually go back into the sales orders. I could select all and I could delete and allow the customer then to resend these orders when we actually have the stock. Because of course I don't want to look after the back orders on behalf of my own customer.